The innovation that expands the value of business. Where does it begin? Sukgyung AT, the company that found the answer in the field of inorganic ultrafine particle chemistry, is improving the lives of people by offering solutions that overcome limits. Based on its independent R&D efforts and a production system that has realized reproducibility, Sukgyung AT manufactures top-quality inorganic materials. We offer customized services that not only add value to our customers' products, but also resolve the difficulties of ultrafine particle application by supplying inorganic powders that come in various sizes from nano to micron, as well as products dispersed with diverse solvents. Currently, because of its cutting-edge technology, Sukgyung AT is growing into a world-class company whose partnerships include leading global organizations. The core competitiveness of Sukgyung AT is the solutions, which provide the materials that our customers need and in the forms that our customers want. Sukgyung AT provides a solution that controls the size of particles from ultrafine to micron and controls their shapes as well. In addition, Sukgyung AT has the know-how in monodispersion, a solution that adds value to products and resolves application issues through the ultrafine particle dispersion technology suited to our customers' needs. The differentiated surface treatment solution is based on the ultrafine particle modification technology. The purification solution technology is for customers' high-end products. Our customers' trust in us comes from our excellent quality management. Through our cutting-edge systems and process controls, we are working hard to provide the safest high-tech materials in various industries. We are faithfully keeping our promise to our customers by always maintaining production facilities that have received international environmental certification and adopting a mass production system that supplies products that are always of the same quality by utilizing cutting-edge analysis equipment. For a sustainable future and a successful business, Sukgyung AT will always serve our customers as an inorganic ultrafine particle chemistry specializing company. We are always ready to listen to you. Sukgyung AT, a leader in the field of ultrafine particle manufacturing technology. We produce world-class powder and dispersion products based on innovative and high-performance inorganic materials and supply them in various areas such as the dental, bio, toner, electrical and electronics, and high and low refractive display coating industries. This is spherical silica, which is characterized by monodispersed particles and produced through the Sol gel process. We supply particles in multiple sizes, such as nano-sized ones from 10 to 20 nanometers to micron-sized ones according to the needs and processes of our customers. We also manufacture spherical titanium dioxide, which was patented in the US in 2012 and is produced using unique microwave processes that we developed independently and offer to our customers. Our top-quality ytterbium fluoride is used in dental composite resin and produced by coating ytterbium with nanosilica and giving it a silane treatment. This product not only maintains its transparency and mechanical hardness, but also possesses improved construction capability. It is very popular among our customers for its optimal quality. We lead the market by offering barium, strontium, silica, and high radiopaque barium glass with advanced construction capability, which are all used in dental resin. Furthermore, we also manufacture and supply solvents transparently dispersed with nanoparticles, as well as custom-tailored products dispersed with nanoparticles according to our customers' formulations. Sukgyung AT and its products have no limits. The company mainly produces and sells spherical silica, an external additive for laser toners and various dental filler products. In addition, Sukgyung produces hollow silica, a nanotechnology-based textile coating material, photothermal pyretics, and heat-blocking materials. We offer only the best products to our customers in diverse areas. With a customized service that caters to our customers' needs and an open mind to possibilities for our customers' satisfaction, we will do our best to always listen to our customers' requirements and build a relationship based on trust.